Ki samla pule ka school ba North Eastern Hill University NEHU hak arpo tarik naiwiang kila rai ban Pynsangeh no shipori ka jingiakhih shat thngan ga jongki kabala yaj mentala khat rius ni na kada ka jingshah ta jor hakaliang ka koi kya ya kani ka rai la penpana da president ka NEHU Students Union NEHU su usamla sandi sotun ha ka jingadan lang ki nongelam ka KSU NEHU unit bat ki samla pule ba pelong jingiakhih kiseng jong kinong hikai kinong pre ke NEHU bat kiwei ka jingshim ya kani karai kalawan long ru hadien bakaladon ka jing ai jingmod na kaliang ki doktor ki bapet bakhmi ya ka koi ka khya jong ki samla man kasngi bat kumju ya ka jing ai jingmod da kinong hikai bat kinong pre ka school ba u samla sandi ulaong hadien bela pensyong nongrim ya ki jing ai jingmod da ki doktor hak bai de ba ka jing syak ta jor ha kaliang ka koi ka khya namar kani ka jing syak thngan ka bala kan job menta ha ka khat rius ngi kumta ngi na kaliang ka NEHU su bat KSU NEHU unit ngila shim ya kara ban Pynsangeh shipor ya kani ka jing syak thngan hindrei kani kamut pat ban berkut no ya kani ka jingiakhih la ban kedau ba kani ka jingiakhih jong ki samla puli NEHU ha ka phalau jong kani ka school ba kelas dang na du ka santrik naiwiang bandawa hirshuki ya o professor PS Shukla kum o vice chancellor ka NEHU bat ban wengkam no mardor ya o registrar bat deputy registrar kani kalawan long ru wat hadien banda kaliang ka Ministry of Education ka Sorkar Pudeng kala thung da ka inquiry committee ka bakan thop iki arhur ki dikhat kan pelong ya ka jingto ket halor ka jing no penyat kam babakla ba ka jimbam nang penyat ya ki kam ki jam jong ka school ba NEHU hapdeng kani ka jingiakhih syak thngan kila don bun ngut ki samla puli ki bla syak penkit no shapo hospital namar ka jingkam telat bar ki don ru ki balangat ha ka jingshitam ki bakham syak ta jor.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and one of you, especially the student community, the NEHU, the META, the KSU central body, and even the medical team, which has been there since the beginning of this hunger strike. Your support has been priceless, I will say, and in consideration of the requests from the teachers, from the staffs, and even from the doctor, and based on the medical advice, we have seen that the health of our students, the members who have been starving for 16 days, the health has been deteriorating. So we, the KSU NEHU unit or KSU unit and the NEHU have decided that we will temporarily suspend this hunger strike. However, this does not signify that we will end the agitation, but we will continue the protest during the weekdays from 9 to 5, and we will not move from this place until and unless our demands will be fulfilled. And also, I would like to thank the community members who have been here from day one. And also, I would like to say that it is quite hard to be a leader. I feel like crying, tears feels like coming out from my eyes from day to day. Seeing the members going to hospital and getting the drips from time to time, from day to day, it really breaks my heart, I'll tell you, my friends. And we await the report of the committee which has been dispatched from the Ministry of Education. But if the Ministry of Education fails to take appropriate action based on the report by the committee which they will be sending, we will again resume this hunger strike, or we can take other measures, and hopefully the teachers, including the staff and especially the students, will support us till the day our demand has been fulfilled. And as you can see, the Vice Chancellor has been adamant, but we the students don't want to follow his footsteps. So I, as a leader, feel that for the time being, we have to relax, and we will wait further till the report from the committee will be sent to the ministry. And if the ministry don't take appropriate action, we won't stay quiet. We will raise our voice, and we stay firm in our decision that we won't be allowing